Hey guys, underwhelming tutorials. Welcome to the video series I like to call I got a 3D printer for cosplay. And now what? Today's topic is how the f am I meant to stick that together? Look, I get it. So you've just dropped a large sum of money, so you want to make something big with your first 3D print. So you've gone and looked out for a model on a website, Thingiverse, and you finally get them all out, little individual pieces. And now you're going out, you're buying a whole lot of glue, and you're trying to stick these pieces together, but sometimes to no avail. Honestly guys, I went through the same situation and I went out and bought over $100 worth of glue. Some glues sticked a little bit, some glues were a little bit sticky, more flexible. I went out and bought the most expensive brands. I've covered it for today's purposes. This is 100% what my first prop was held together with. So this was my first prop with a 3D printer. It's Axel's Chakram from Kingdom Hearts. On the convention day, it just didn't want to hold it anymore. Because the plastic wasn't really being bonded together, it was just actually ended up getting a lot of cracks through it where there was too much flex and too much giveaway where the epoxy decided to not really be able to hold it together. So after that, I decided to go out, do some research, and find another solution instead of using glues. And it turns out a lot of people are heat welding it together. So I gave it a try with my hot glue gun. Did not work, not hard enough, surface is too small, but I did go out to my local hardware store and find one of these bad boys.
Why I would recommend one of these is because A, the flat head melts both sides of the props, melting them together, pretty much making a welding sort of effect, which is really good. And two, it gets like ridiculously hot. Like if you dropped it, it would just melt a hole through the ground and end up in China. And that being said, try not to touch it. It's pretty easy to use, and it's 20 bucks.
But how strong would melting two bits together even be? Well, the answer to that, my friends, is I don't know. Let's go find out. So here's the other half, fully cured and printed out of PLA. I plan to put this to the ultimate endurance test. It took about 6 punches directly before snapping. So there you have it guys. You can punch it directly 6 times before the weld snaps. But we also have a weld here, along there. So let's keep going. Okay, so this one didn't even snap from the hook. It snapped by launching into the concrete. I'd say the verdict is welding the two bits together, it will actually last you through an entire convention, but not throughout an entire boxing match with KSI or Logan Paul. So if you don't want to spend on any glues or adhesives, this is the perfect way to go, spending just $20 up front and not having to pay extra every time you want to glue a bit together. But if you want the ultimate cure, I'd say go with an epoxy and go on the inside of the surface and then put it together and then weld it on the outside as well. So then you've got like this double duo damage and it's gonna be stuck. So that's all I have for you today. Let me know what you think. Maybe you have any ideas, or maybe you have like a cool brainstorm and then tell me what to try if you got an idea. If you enjoyed the video and want to see the series keep going, please like the video. It shows me that what I'm doing is working and it's worth putting more time into, because I've got a few side hustles going on and this is my only way to be able to tell which ones people actually want and which ones people don't want to see. Check out my main channel, youtube.com/datbarker. It's a cosplay channel, skits and all such things. It always feels so weird trying to plug my channel on my other channels. So that's it guys, and as always, remember, I make the mistakes so you don't have to. Pieces!